Hei hi All India Radio Aizolani Chanchin Thar Acher Tula Remsang Ralte Mizoram Legislative Assembly thut khom voi rukna chu naktuk chama dar som le chan ve Assembly Session Hall a tanani don naktuk session a thutur MLA somli zinga COVID-19 shikai anam lauti voin khan fin fi ani India rama COVID-19 shikai no som thum paruk chuang mu chuan to a mi no som ni pasari sing sari chuang enkol dam ani to President Thui Pranab Mukherjee chuni Chinlok Khan athi Mizoram Legislative Assembly Pariat na thut khom voi rukna chu naktuk chama dar som le chan ve Assembly Session Hall a tan ani don Tuntum session hini thum chung nei turin speaker kai shruai Business Advisory Committee chuan aduanga naktuk session tan nia hian tungdanga ti zen lo session tan ani ma in Assembly Conference Hall a tong tai na hun man ani nga session tan vele Assembly member Louis Boral to pu F sapa pu je lom zwala pu hi phei pu ro kam na vale pu F lom ki mate sun na hun manani ang Session ngai to tur hian sarkar bill pariat aluta hengzing hian ordinance manga dan anga man mek dan puitling siam na tur the Mizoram Containment and Prevention of the Spread of COVID-19 Bill 2020 chunak tu ka ngai to ho ani ang House sunga tongka chan tur zo na jati somthum pakwa luta hengzing a somni chunak tu ka chan hal tur chop chho ani ang ziak chan chi zo na somnga pali lut bok COVID-19 Sri Lanka Assembly Session hin nei ani don wangin Sri Inkaidar ani lo nan sarkar in thai to pafim khorin roman thata kasiama session atel tur MLA tele midang tu po Assembly Secretariat huam chunga chuan mui mai tuam reng tur le midang ne na in nai chilu tuklawa turin na ria tira Chief Minister le Speaker du danangin House chunga thuna da Berlin member te dokan in chom lova thotti rani ang Sri Inkaidar lo thon thila voin khan Chief Minister Puzaram Thanga Speaker Pularinia Sai lo le Minister Dangte Tiamin MLA somthum panga te chu Assembly Secretariat Rapid Antigen Test mangin COVID-19 anvele velo endikani a anwain Sri Inkai lo vekti fin fi ani tun nai khan MLA dang panga te chu enfia an lo ne to a anni poi Sri laka an fihlim vekani Nithu motor Assembly Session nei chung hian Health Department chuan Nodal Officer tan Aizawl Civil Hospital Deputy Medical Superintendent Dr. John Zoming Thanga arwata amale atho puiten vo in khan Assembly Secretariat sample lak le endik na an voi puyani Lunglei District Election Officer DC Puvidal Sanglian and VC in Thana Fel Fight takle tuang taka nei thayani chu lomamati thule VC in Thana duty zongzong le vote thak to mi puite chunga lom thu soi Lunglei DO hian voin khan Lunglei chanchi bami te komin Mizoram District zinga Lunglei District chu VC in Thana hau tak berle VC seat tamna berani ti soin VC constituency za som pathoma seat jali somsari pakwa in Thana ni atia seat jali somsari pakwa oma MNF in seat jani somthum pasari la in Indian National Congress in seat za somnga ZPM in seat somli pani Independent in seat somli pathum le BJP in seat sari anla atia SEC kai shona siam anga VC constituency khatatan polling station pakhat zel rom hanani thule polling station mun marem tok lo wanga vote thak tu ten har sanna an tok chu poyanti thu soibok Lunglei chanchi bami te chuan ton tum VC in Thana vote thi tamna tok chu an ngai mo thule mun then khata polling official tan sarkar na thok thito pension to le inson to ruat anom chu thalawan ti thuan soya polling party ten training an ni chatok lo ni alan thule vote thla dan chung changa me pui zer tirna a chatok lo ni an ria thu te an soi chuak bok me chung changa hian district nei tu te chuan a thei ang chen chena SCC ro manan zom ani dan le hun bichil lutuk tak veka engkim kalpui ani awangin duang thalin engkim felfai teka kalpui ani bik lauti chu an pom ti an soya vote thi bik shim chu mundanga po om venual thawa wangin chelutuk bik anin ngai lauti an soi Serche Papa Wayne Khan DC Meeting Hall District Election Officer Kumar Abhishek Hovin Village Council in Thlan vote thak clear letani a DO chuan MPF NGO MJL election thok tu PRO le RO zongzong te police Power and Electricity PHE INPR le department dangte MCC team te sector officer te polling station atana an building manram ti saktu kaushan school le tlom ngai polte vote thla ka khole tui thani na hlen tu district pui zongzong te hne na lom thu soyani thok tu dang zong zong tele mi pui thu oi na zara sir chep district ka vote za somriat point paruk pakhat la in district vote tlak thanna berani atia atira tanga atop thlenga thopui tu sir chep chanchiba mi te fak omati thule vote chiar lai live telecast puang tu cable tv in pek na chu mi pui ta tan le asia thu soibok voin thlele na huna hian mun then kata vote thi ala tam deu chania sia te soi hawani a vote thak dan inzer tirna ward uzo kalpui Tunian Shia Tuan Soyani. Mizoram Pradesh Congress Committee President Pulatan Hola Chuan Tuntum Village Council Local Council in Than Result Changin Congress Party in Malam Hundom Takanei ti achiang hleani ati. Wenkan the Chua Siamin Pulatan Hola Chuan Congress Sarkar Lim Kumsani Pakwa in Thantum Khan Congress Party in VC Zali Somli Palialak Layin MNF in VC Somthum Chau An Lathaya Kumsani Somniam MNF Purwang Lai Taka in Thana Ero Chuan MNF in Seat Sangka Zaruk Somni Pali La in Village Council Local Council Zathum Somsari Pali Chau An Siam Thaya Congress Party in Seat Zaruk Somriat Panga La in Village Council Local Council Zazet An Siam Thunga Heian Congress Party at Mizoram Puyen rinna anlanga thuk hleni ti ati chianga alomom tak zetani ati Village Council le Local Council election a Congress Party tikada ding zong zong te achuang ti soin an mani wangin an party tan malama ko la eng hleni ati a thlantlin zong zong te lompuyin ramle khotlang ta na an rongbol na tura du sakna ahlana lingzo talo te po nual mai lawa malam panzel turin du sakna ahlan ti asoibok Ran khwa kina thupek bo zuin longtlaya Animal Control Committee member ten Wayne Khan Kholayan fang bole bale huan thlai ba ka mishing le ran vul dang te himnan te khotlang alo fai alo thiang him theina longtlai district magistrate chuan longtlai district chunga ran khwa kina thupek achwa bo zui ani dan le mi puin anzom thatle thatlo endikin Wayne Khan longtlai district level committee and Animal Control member te chuan longtlai khopui chung an fang kwalani Chanchin thar hi All India Radio Aizola Changapur nani COVID-19 kai sing sari sariat zanga song pani mule tanen India rama shikai noi somthum paruk sing ni sang khajani somli panga mu chuani to a dam noi somni pasari sing sari sangli zariat pakhat om to in shikai zinga zazela somsari paruk point paruk pani andama shri wanga thi sing ruk sangli zali somrok pakwa om to in zazela pakhat point pasari pariat anthiani Assam Assembly for Thutkhom Chan Mani Nimin Khan MLA zinga COVID-19 kai pali mobilani a hengnen hian Assam MLA somni pali in Srian kai to ani Sikima nimina shikai somni panga mobil tanen hesti da shikai mu chwa jo sang khan jaruk somni pasari antling to a Shri wanga thi pathum anom lain en koldam sang khan jani somni anom to thungani Nagalana mi sang thum som pasari en koldam ni to in mi pariatin an thi pui to a nimin khan case thar somsari pakhat ombelin hengzinga somli chu armed forces mi an ni Tripura shikai sathum somni pakhat mobilin hengnen hian shikai singkhat sangkhat zaruk somli pasari mu chuani to a darkar somni pali kala chung khan shri wangi mi panga thile in mi za pathum an the to a mi sang sari jali somthum pathum an dam to bok President Tui Pranab Mukherjee chune Chinlok Khan Dalia sipaidam do ina athi a kum somriat pali mi ani pu Mukherjee ni minatang khan adin mun athalo zwal ni in Dr. Tenan Soya tun thane som Khan Dalia sipaidam do ina dalu ani a athluaka te sentling zai ani tangin a har chuak le talawani pu Mukherjee thi Twitter kaltlangin shiat ani a Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan awi thu Twitter kaltlangin asoya India choi moina samber Bharat Ratna hial lodong to tu India na chan chu apoi hle ani ati pu Mukherjee president ani Lai Khan Rashtrapati Bhavan po mi pui tlo thein asiam ti soyin president chen na in chu zirna ina achu ani ati President Ramnath Kovind po ina wi thu Twitter kaltlangin asoya anwi thu te chwa siam tu zinga hian Union Home Minister Amit Shah po atela ani hi Wayne Khan damdoi na changina chuaka COVID-19 wanga damdoi ina en kolani chanchin ti top na na tlang pui Mizoram Legislative Assembly Thutkhom vai ruk na chunak tuk chama dar somya chanwia Assembly Session Hall a chanani don Naktuk session at Chatur MLA Somli zinga COVID-19 shikai anam lauti Wayne Khan finfi ani India rama COVID-19 shikai noi somthong paruk chuang mu chu ani to a mi noi somni pasari sing sari chuang en koldam ani to President Pranab Mukherjee chan Chinlok Khan athi chuti zong chu chanchin thar kan puan thei chu